Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ghost King HU back again with another video, baby. Okay, I'm excited with this one, man. Like, last video with the Super Saiyan 4 Goku, I asked for 5 likes. Y'all got me to over 60. Y'all must have really liked that video. I appreciate it. Because I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting like maybe 4, maybe 5 likes. I was expecting just to hit a like goal. Y'all went above and beyond. Like, that is crazy. I appreciate it. So, I went back out and I bought me another one. Though I was looking for Vegeta. They didn't have Vegeta in GameStop. They just went from Goku straight to Gogeta. I was like, okay, that's cool. But I ain't gonna say too much else. But you want another video? Y'all know what to do to that like button. Like I said, I'm gonna probably shoot for like 6 likes for the next one. But anywho, look at this right here. Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. Now, as far as Dragon Ball GT goes, Gogeta, Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta was my favorite character behind Omega Shenron. I'm not even like, oh, Omega Shenron, he was evil. But that dude was cold, bro. Like, it took a whole fusion just to stop him. And it took this man, actually, they didn't really finish him off, but they beat him up, though. They definitely beat him up. All right, but let's go and get into this unboxing right here. Okay, so 9th anniversary figure. That's what's up. Made by, I don't know if the camera could pick that up. Made by Bandai Spirits, made in China. Let's see, is it the same guy? I'm not seeing that guy's picture on the back, so I'm guessing not made by the same guy, but the same company. What am I doing? I forgot my knife, man. Look, man, y'all got me so excited with the last video. Y'all made me forget my knife. You know what? I'll be right back.
But anywho.
All right, y'all. So we back in. Got my knife. Let's see what this do. Cause if this is I can't speak English. If this is as good as the other one, which I'm expecting it to be, then we got another win on our hands. Let's check this one out. All right, boppity pop, pop that seal. If I can get it in, giggity. Boppity pop, pop that seal. Oh, they got another one. Y'all know me and tape. Boppity pop, pop that seal right there. All right. Treat it with cardboard on the top. Nothing in the box. No, we do boxes around here. All right. Okay, all right, I see you. Okay, this one got even more pieces to it. It even come with a stand. Okay, all right, so, y'all know me in puzzles, man. You know what, forget the knife, we just gonna go straight savage on this one, you know? Got the tail. This one's a little bit darker than the other one. I'm guessing because I always wondered why Gogeta fur was a little bit darker than Goku and Vegeta. Well, I'm guessing Vegeta was a little bit darker, but I don't know. I still don't understand. Look at that. Look at the detail right there. Like, look at that. Got his pants ripped right there. Got a little fur coming out. That's what's up. All right. Put that right there. All right. Then check out the face. Look at the detail. Look at this, man. All I know. Look at the finger. Look at the finger though. That one look like it kind of got broke a little bit, but you know that's cool. Like, but look at the detail. Like, this is really awesome. All right, then put that to the side. Then got this. I'm taking that goes to the. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. And if not, maybe somebody put it in the comment section for me. Cause y'all know I'm a little bit slow. Okay, this is this right here, I'm guessing is a stand. Or to go on the stand. And then this is the stand right here. So you can really set this one up. Ooh, this. Yeah. Then this one. Yeah. Alright, so this one really should be something to look at. Like you can really put this up on a stand and have it sitting all beautiful on a desk or a table or a nightstand or something, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Alright, so it goes taking this piece. Wait, no? Yeah, this piece goes there like that. This isn't Gogeta's normal color scheme. I'm just noticing. Future me, maybe, might edit something in. To show you what he looks like normally. All right, then they got the, that don't look right. Did I do that? No, I didn't do that right. That's where the tail goes. Okay. So then you put the tail in. Pause on all this. Hold on. Can I not figure out how to put a tail in? Hold on. We got it. You know how we do on the channel. We struggle until we get it right. Alright. There it is. Got the tail end on that. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. God. Y'all can't tell me somebody was in there trying to get this together. They was like, ooh, look at the work I done put in. But what? Okay, hold on. Now, again, I got an extra piece. I don't know what to do. This company love giving people extra pieces that they don't know what to do with. They was like, oh, you want an extra tie? I mean, what? I don't know what to call it. I guess a bandana or something to put on there. Put it on up in there. Let them figure out what to do with it. Okay, then the stand connects together like that right there. And then you just have Gogeta. Here, I guess you gotta put that in right there like that. And then bong! Check it. Tell me this ain't beautiful right here. Like, look at that. Whew. I think I paid like $40 for this. I gotta say, this is money well spent. Look at that. It took a little bit of instruction, or not really instruction, took a little bit of assembly. Me being slow, that took too long. But y'all could probably get this done in like, probably about 40 seconds. Y'all, as I said, y'all know I'm slow, so it is what it is. But that's gonna do it for this video. This is really nice. As I said, hit my like goal. I'm like maybe 5 or 6 likes. We're gonna bring out another one, cause I got one that I had my eye on that I really want to get, but I don't know if y'all really ready for them. But that's gonna do it for this video. It's your boy Ghost King HU, and I catch you in the next one. Peace.